Hello, I'm Lewis from Nextbase. Let's get you connected to the Nextbase app. Step 1 is to make sure you download the Nextbase app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. We can then open the app, press on to continue with email, and we can continue the connection to your dashcam. Step 2 of getting your dashcam connected to the Nextbase app. First, we want to select the model of dashcam on your phone. Next, we want to allow all the permissions. The permissions include local networks, location, and also notifications. After we have allowed the permissions, we want to put our dashcam into pairing mode. First, stop the recording. Click onto the settings icon in the top left. Press onto Connect App. Select Setup Phone, and then press the OK button. Next, you want to press Continue on the Nextbase app and select Nextbase 622. An accessory will appear. Press the accessory and you will be connected via the Bluetooth. An ambassador's top tip for when this happens, what we need to do is go into the iPhone settings, click onto the Bluetooth settings, forget the Nextbase device, go back into the Nextbase app, and you can see here, I've forgotten, retry now. And the connection is now successful.